Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am very excited today because there is an exciting smartphone over here and we are doing this kind of an unboxing after a very long time. See, I've always loved Pixel smartphones, and if you are a subscriber over here for long, then you know that I've used the Google Pixel 6, the Pixel 7, I skipped the 8 because that was overpriced, and I'm back on the Pixel bandwagon with the Google Pixel 9. And I decided to go for the base variant and not the Pro variant because I still feel that the Pro variant is expensive. This one is a good entry point for the Pixel experience, and that's exactly why I bought it. Now I literally just got this smartphone and I was so excited that I set up my camera and decided to shoot this unboxing video. So today in this video we'll check out what do we get inside the box, which is not a lot, spoiler alert, and I'll also share my initial impressions about this smartphone. So sit back, relax and have a cup of chai. Alright, as you can see, this is a very minimal box and kind of made out of recycled material, so it doesn't look that attractive. It looks kind of pale and not attractive at all. And this is a slide box now. Like, it doesn't open up, this is a sleeve actually, and you have to slide the main box out. Okay, this is kind of hard to slide. Yeah, here we go. So this is a sleeve and then this is the actual box. Let's go ahead and open it. Now a quick disclaimer over here that I ordered this smartphone from Flipkart and they have a policy of open box delivery, which means that whenever the delivery boy comes to your house, they will open the box and click photos of what's inside so that you don't get scammed. That happened, but I did not let them open the plastic and all, so all the good parts inside the box are still there. So as you can see, the seal has been broken, but we will still go ahead and open up this box. And here we go. Now there are two parts to this box. This one has a little sleeve over here, and here we have some basic paperwork and SIM card ejector tool. Not a lot of paperwork, which is a good thing. Google is not wasting paper. Alright, now I'll just keep this aside and let's get to the main stuff. So this is the Google Pixel 9 in porcelain color. There was also this matte black which looked absolutely classy, but I like this one a little bit better, so I went with this one. And apart from that, there is only the charging cable. So this is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable and no charger inside the box. So yeah, the unboxing experience is kind of sad because this smartphone is super expensive. But anyway, yeah, that's about it for the box contents. I'm going to keep everything aside and we'll get back to the smartphone. And here we go. This is the Google Pixel 9 in this porcelain color, and the smartphone is kind of compact, not too big. Let me quickly go ahead and remove the paper covering. This is not a plastic covering, a paper covering. And here we go. This is the Google Pixel 9 in all its glory, and it looks absolutely amazing in my opinion and feels very lightweight, doesn't feel heavy and feels premium as well. Like, as compared to previous Pixel phones, it does feel a lot more premium and does feel like the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. Like, they've made the edges boxy, the placement of the antenna lines, the buttons, everything looks very polished and very industrial. Now let me quickly go ahead and switch this smartphone on. I was pressing the volume button because this is where the power button is generally, but with Pixels it is, you know, kind of upside down. So the power button is a little bit higher and that is kind of annoying. I will have to get used to it again. Here we go, Google. Now one upgrade this year is with the fingerprint sensor. It is not an optical fingerprint sensor anymore. It is an ultrasonic one. Basically, it uses sound waves as opposed to an image, and that is supposed to, you know, increase the sensitivity of the fingerprint sensor, make it more faster and accurate. So let's see how does that work. I am setting up my fingerprint right now, and these fingerprint sensors, we have seen them, you know, on Samsung phones before, and they work absolutely amazing on Samsung phones. So I'm hoping that they will work really well on the Pixel 9 as well. Car crash detection, yes, I want that. Pixel satellite SOS, yep, crisis alert, everything. I want everything. It's a very fun experience setting up a Pixel smartphone. Anything else? Nope, I don't want to do anything else. Getting your phone ready. Alright, moment of truth. Swipe to go home and the setup has been done. Now one really weird thing this year is that if I go to settings, I'll go to Android version, and as you can see, this is Android 14 out of the box and not Android 15. This is expected from other manufacturers, not Google. Google owns Android. They should be the first ones to push out Android 15, and I'm pretty sure that this smartphone will get Android 15 soon, but out of the box it is Android 14, and that is very weird, like very weird. I think this is the first time that a new Pixel has launched with an older version of Android. Now as you can see, this year the bezels are symmetrical and that gives a very good look to this smartphone. Now as far as buttons and other things go, here are the volume rockers, then the power button. On the top we have the noise cancellation microphone and the antenna lines. On this side, it's completely empty, and on the bottom, we have the speaker, the USB Type-C port, and the SIM card tray. So yeah, the setup has been complete. I'm going to go ahead, use this smartphone for a couple of hours, and then I will share my initial impressions. So see you in just a bit. Alright, welcome back. So it's been about 3 to 4 hours since I've been using the Google Pixel 9, and honestly my initial impressions about this phone are positive. See, Google has done a great job with the hardware of this phone. It feels very polished and premium. I showed this phone to a couple of my friends and their first reaction was like, this feels a lot like the iPhone 15, and they are not wrong. It does feel very similar to an iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. The form factor, size, in-hand feel, everything is similar to an iPhone. And I mean that in a good way. It finally feels like a premium flagship phone. Also, the fingerprint sensor is super fast. Talking about things which are fast, I found the UI to be very smooth. I did not notice any major hiccups whatsoever. Google has done a good job in terms of tuning the software. Now, the processor on the other hand is Tensor G4, which is not the best out there. You can see the Antutu score. It gets decent scores but not flagship level scores. I would say the processor is still very much mid-range in this smartphone, but still Google has done a good job in terms of tuning it because they have designed the processor themselves. Also, it helps in running their AI model smoothly. Now, one weird thing that I noticed is that 120Hz refresh rate is not turned on by default. I had to go into settings and then turn it on. So if you end up buying the Pixel 9, please make sure that you turn on the smooth display option. Now, obviously, when you buy a Pixel phone, you do get a lot of software features, and this year they have focused heavily on AI. Now, I am going to test those AI features, but I need some time with them. I don't want this video to be about AI because there are many videos out there which only talk about AI. Now, how useful are these AI features in day-to-day life? That only time will tell. I will make sure to test them out and talk about them in a separate video. That video is coming soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, what about the cameras? Well, initial impressions about the cameras are super positive. The image looks sharp and processed, but I do like the final result. What do you guys feel about the photos? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, obviously, I will test out the cameras in detail because that is one thing that I'm looking forward to. Alright, this is a very quick rear camera video test with the Pixel 9. I'm shooting with the ultra wide angle camera in 4K at 30 FPS. I just came to my terrace to shoot a couple of photos and videos, basically test out the cameras. So you guys let me know about the video quality as well as the microphone quality in the comment section down below. All in all, I'm just super excited to use the Pixel 9 as my daily smartphone. I am going to miss the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, but I am excited for this one as well. Also, while we're on that topic, my full review of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is coming soon. I have not written it yet. I will start writing it, then shooting, then editing, then upload. So make sure you are subscribed because that video is going to be awesome. But nevertheless, this is the Google Pixel 9. What do you feel about this smartphone? Let me know in the comment section down below. And what videos would you like to see on the Pixel 9? Let me know about that as well so that I can make them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, then make sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.